state is accusing. Let me bring in my guests for some discussion now. I have with me still in St. Paul, Minnesota, criminal defense attorney Jack Rice. In Nashville, Tennessee, retired police sergeant Melissa Pinkleton. And just joining us on the program, I see in South Carolina, John Mobley is with us. He's a criminal defense attorney. John, good to see you. So let me start with you, please, John, where we are with this one. Tell me your assessment. Day number 2, the cases move along quite well. What are your thoughts as to how the narrative is taking shape?
Well, you know, Julie, I got to call it like I see it. I think the prosecution just dropped the ball on how they managed and put together a case that hinged on, co-defendant or unindicted co-defendant testimony. Defendant murder cases like this, where you have cooperating witnesses testifying for the state. But in this case, they just seem to drop the ball in preparation across the board. I mean, on one hand, they're giving out plea agreements like they're 10% off coupons to the nanny, and the other individual who's already convicted of murder. And I really think from a planning standpoint, they should have had some arrangement with the wife at the time she pled guilty. I mean, the case would be a lot stronger if at the time of the guilty plea, the wife had an agreement where she gave a statement on the record and can cooperate actually prior to the plea so they could corroborate her testimony corroborate her evidence and testimony regarding what happened to try to back it up prior to the plea, get that on the record, and do the same thing with the cousin, because once again, you have a gentleman with no credibility whatsoever. He's convicted of one murder. After that, he wants to cut a deal. He's giving conflicting statements, and you have someone who has everything to gain and nothing to lose, and you're giving them benefit for giving testimony. So you really want to have that corroboration in place to make them more credible. And I don't really see that they put the work in ahead of time. I've said it before, when you're putting together complex, criminal trials, it's like chess, but these prosecutors are playing checkers.